How to cut and trim videos in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and start a new project, or open an existing one where you want to edit your clips. Once your project is open, select a video clip you want to work on into timeline. Tap on the clip to highlight it and you will see editing options appear at the bottom of the screen. To trim a video, select the trim tool from the bottom and drag the edges of the clip left or right to shorten or lengthen its duration. This is useful when you want to remove unwanted parts from the beginning or end of your video. If you need to cut a specific section in the middle of your clip, move the playhead to the exact point where you want the cut. Then tap on the split or scissors tool. This will divide your video into two separate parts, allowing you to delete or edit sections independently. You can repeat this process to split your video into multiple parts for more detailed editing. Once trimmed or cut, you can also rearrange clips in the timeline to adjust the flow of your project. Now you know how to cut and trim videos in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.